We're Team Innovation Geeks, and our project is to develop a product name called Third Eye. And our mentor for our project is Mr. Sambat Kumar of Department of Computer Science. And our team members of myself, Harikrishan Murthy from second CATA, and my co-team members are Gajan Singh from second CATA and Vishal Deep from second CATA. Now the world is facing a huge pandemic due to COVID-19. Many health workers and doctors are recommend us to be in stay at home and wear masks, use hand sanitizer, and to maintain social distancing in public places like malls, theaters, and other places. Some people may have high body temperature and symptoms of COVID-19, but they won't be in quarantine. Due to misbehavior of these people, this leads to widespread of COVID-19. Until now, there is no automation process to involve to monitor these people. Our statement is to develop an automated device to monitor these people in public places. And the rest of the slides will be explained by my friends Gajendra Singh and Vishal.
Thank you, Hari Krishnamurthy. So, hi, I'm Vishal of second SCAC department here. Let's see the current prevailing solution for this problem and what are all the problems or defects in the solution. Currently, monitoring people is done manually. The security guards or some other officials are involved in this process. They are checking the temperature, providing sanitizer, etc., etc. So, in this process, the officials or the guards are risking their lives. Also, manual checking process involves more time and sometimes may lead to violation or clash between the officials and the people. And finally, there's no proper database maintained to track people who are coming in and going out. So data plays a key role in tracking the people. So you may ask me, could you show me a better solution than this? Every problem has a solution. Yes, the Team Innovation Geeks have developed a better solution than this. An automated machine which works on the concept of AI and machine learning will replace the security guards or officials. Our solution, first of all, consists of a mobile application where the user could enter the details and the application generates a QR code. And our third eye machine consists of inbuilt MAX 30205 sensor, which is one of the best temperature detecting sensor, an inbuilt face and mask detection sensor, and an automated sanitizer provider, and a blockade. Next, we can see the use cases of our third eye. First, it saves enormous amount of time and manpower since every process is automated. Since there's a good temperature sensor in it, you could measure the temperature accurate. Our machine is touch free and hence there is less amount of spreading of virus. We use a best algorithm in the world called YOLO algorithm. So our mask detection and face detection would be perfect and accurate. And rest of the slides will be explained by my co-buddy Gajendra Singh.
Thank you, Vishal. We have targeted government sector, educational sector, and public places sector. Like government sectors like Indian airports and railway stations. In educational sector, we have targeted schools, institutions, colleges. And in public places sector, we have included theaters, shopping malls, departmental stores, and etc. Customer value proposition. So now let's talk about some customers' feeling. What is their pain and what is their gain? So starts from the pain. First of all, it involves more time for today's solution. And it also involves more cost. Instead of these pains, what our product is give, it involves time saver process and it is touch free, cost efficient. Now let's talk about some gains known as proper hygiene and less maintenance. In our product, what are the gains? We have fully automated service, organizing data, 24/7 active process. Now let's talk about product and product services. First of all, we monitor the temperature, and second, we detect the face, and third, we detect the mask. After that, we give a sanitizer, and after that, we will allow the person to enter the gate or not according to their passing criteria. So these are the main customer value proposition in which our product stands ahead of today's solution. Now finally, the customer has some certain jobs they have to do. Scanning the QR code and wait until their product is measuring their temperature, and again wait for until their product measures their face and detect their mask, and finally get the sanitizer and get into the gate. Now let's see the uniqueness and key feature of the third eye. First of all, we have an automated QR code scanning process, and then the automatic body temperature checker and mask and face detector. After that, we have YOLO algorithm by which we detect the object. Next, we have an automated sanitizer provider, and finally we have an automated gate. Next, the flow diagram will be continued by Hari Krishnamurthy.
Thank you, Gajendra. Let's talk about flow diagram. First, the customer need to download and fill all this detail into an app. Then he need to scan the QR code, which is provided in the system. Then the system will detect the temperature of the user. Then the body temperature of the user is normal, he is alerted to next level, else he is knocked out. If the person wears the proper mask, he will be allowed by the system, else he will be knocked out. If the person is knocked out, the person will be lost. And at last, we will be providing sanitizer to all the users. We will be storing all the user data into our database. And this is the end. Thank you.
Thank you to all.
Stay home.
Stay safe.